Getting into a car accident can be overwhelming. One moment you're driving down the street or freeway and everything's fine, and then in an instant your life has changed because you're in a crash and you've been injured. My name is Steve Sweat. I'm a California personal injury attorney, and I've been practicing for over 25 years, and I've helped thousands of car accident victims over that period of time get compensation for their injuries. What I'd like to do is provide you step-by-step some things that you can do following a motor vehicle collision that can help you protect your legal rights. No case is the same, and every case has to be evaluated on a case-by-case basis based upon the facts, but there's some common things that everybody can do that can help them protect their legal rights. So step one, make sure you secure the accident scene, and obviously safety first. Get out of harm's way if you can, but determine if there's any injuries. If there are, call 911. Police and paramedics should be called out. You should be thoroughly evaluated by EMTs, and you should speak with the police and get a copy of the little white postcard or business card that they give you with something called an NCIC number or incident report number on there that you can get the police report later. Police reports are technically admissible in court in California, but they are very persuasive with adjusters, and the information and evidence that they contain can be used later along with the police officer's testimony potentially. So get that police report. A lot of times could be the difference between an insurance company accepting liability or not. I can think of a recent case where our client and the other party were in a dispute as to who ran a stop sign. The police report came back. They said that our client was clearly all the way within the intersection when she got hit, and that other party appeared to be going at an excessive rate of speed, hit our client and careened it to another vehicle. All of that indicating that the other party probably ran the stop sign and not our client. That ended up making a difference. So that police report is crucial, and you should always get a copy of that. Step two, get prompt medical treatment. Don't delay. A lot of times the adrenaline's rushing and you feel like you're okay, but you should always at least get an evaluation, be an ER or even an urgent care facility, to determine if you have any injuries. As you progress the next few days over the accident, a lot of times the pain will onset and get worse, and you should get follow-up medical treatment, including help with therapy and that type of thing if you need it. An attorney can be crucial in helping you find a doctor that's willing to provide medical treatment and therapy and MRIs, x-rays, and that type of thing so that we can fully evaluate your injuries. So that's crucial. I know a lot of times people want to delay in getting treatment, and that's not something that you should do. Document everything. Step three, make sure that you keep all of your medical records, receipts for anything that you had to purchase as a result of the accident, crutches, types of things. Make sure you keep the pay stub for the last pay period prior to the accident, and get the pay stub for the pay period when you return to work. That'll give us a total number of hours missed and the rate of pay. And if you get correspondence from your employer, that's also something that we can use to prove wage losses later. Be careful what you say. Don't ever speak with the claims adjuster for the other party until you have representation as if you've got any sort of injury. That's for two reasons. They're going to try to get recorded statements from you. They're going to ask questions that are helpful for them, not you, as to liability and injuries, and they're going to obviously try to minimize your claim or not pay it at all if they can possibly do that. So be careful what you say. Contact your insurance company, report the claim promptly. That's something that's required so you don't have coverage issues later. Again, if you can report it to the other party's insurance, but if you've got any personal injury, you should get representation prior to speaking with the representatives for the other adjuster. Instances where the client has come to me after they've already provided a recorded statement to the other party's insurance, and they've said things that really hurt their case, and that's later used against them. You don't want to be in that position. So you get an attorney to buffer between you and the insurance company. Keep records and track everything. One of the things you could do is to have a daily log on all the ways that it's affected your life. If you wake up in the morning and you aren't able to sleep, you can note that down. It's affected your ability to do home chores, any sort of ability to do things at work or at home. You should note that in a journal and give that to your lawyer. Contact a lawyer early on in the process. Technically, you have 2 years from the date of the accident to file a lawsuit for personal injury in California, but you would never want to wait that long. I've seen too many times where clients have waited. They thought that they could resolve it on their own. They provided medical records and medical record release authorizations to insurance companies. The insurance companies have used that to go in and get all their prior medical history fee, a lot of which they wouldn't be entitled to under the law. Try to find any sort of prior medical condition they could use to minimize the claim. Again, I've used recorded statements against my client, all sorts of things that delay in getting a lawyer could really hurt your case, and you don't want to have that happen to you. So I hope all of that's helpful for you. If you've ever been in a car accident and you need help, we're here 24/7. We have helped hundreds of car accident victims in California. Give us a call. Our phone number and our website is in the links below, and we're available 24/7. Like I said, you can consult us for free, and we never charge any fees or costs unless and until the case is resolved. So there's no out-of-pocket costs, and we're here to help. Thanks.